chicken kebab, kubide kebab, tomato, peppers, pies, delicious food, jude kebab, kubide, goje, felfel. What is your idea about this kind of food?
Well, let's see. The kubide kebab is amazing, and the jujube is phenomenal. Marinated chicken with saffron. Excellent. Love Persian food. Amazing food, amazing hospitality, amazing music. Enjoying our time here.
Good. شما فارسی بگین. چی داشتیم اینجا؟
کوبیده و گوجه و فلفل و جوجه. به
به به. این قسمت خوشمزه هاست.